Okay, welcome to ProFrame 2015 training videos. This is part 3 of the order entry videos. In this video, we're going to learn how to post shipments. So let's get started. Now, in the previous video, in the previous two, I created an order, then I confirmed the order. The reason that I now need to post shipments is because I physically have not created an invoice for that order 144A. Okay, now this could be like the next day when the drivers have come back, or we know that we've delivered the product and the customer's completely satisfied with it, or maybe they're not. So this is the reason why there's a third process in the order entry of posting shipments. So I know the order number was 144A. Now, you may ask yourself, well, why in the world am I doing it that way? Well, let's say, for example, how many times have you delivered something to a customer and they come back and say, well, I didn't order 24. You know, I wanted 25, or I didn't order that product, or I didn't need that many. So the customer at the delivery end, they choose not to accept one of the products. So it comes back in the truck. So what this system basically is doing is allowing you to correct anything prior to actually posting the invoice, doing a final deal on what you sold them. And that's really the purpose of then posting the ticket. And this process will physically create an invoice, an accounts receivable. Okay. Also notice that I have post payment turned on, which means that as soon as I apply this, it's going to also allow me to post a payment if I received it. If not, I can just turn that off, and then it'll just post the invoice, which would leave an open balance on that customer's account. I'm going to go ahead and leave my post payment on, and I'm going to apply this ticket with no changes. They accepted it as is from what we had confirmed and sent to them. Okay, so I'm going to click apply, save all. And now the program is going to take me to the payments program. I'm going to press the enter key. I'm going to press the enter, or I'm going to press the tab key. Let's say it was a check number, and let's say that they actually paid us for some previous invoices that they owed us, or not. Let's just say they paid us $130.05, essentially for that invoice that we just posted. So I changed it to 130.05, and it was a check. I drop down and select check, and I click done. At this point, what I'm going to do is double click this guy, because that's the invoice I want to apply this payment to. Okay. As I double click it, it drops to here, and then I just enter through and then apply it. And of course the payment's gone. It's been applied to that invoice, so I can click apply, save all, and then the program comes back to my post shipment process, in which case I can post another ticket. Let's post another one, and let's post this one. Which one did we? Yeah, this is the one that we confirmed. Well, this is the one we confirmed. So I'm going to go ahead and just double click it. We'll go ahead and ship it, but this time I'm not going to post a payment. Okay, I'm going to apply. And I'm going to save all. So the program comes right back here. It skips the payment. Again, the print queue works the same way that it did when I was confirming orders. Now I've got two invoices to print, and I can select all here and just select print, and then it's going to go through that process and print those tickets. Now, rather than do that, I'm going to show you that the difference, that's invoice, where the other one was showing confirmed. But it's basically the same thing. Okay? Alright, so we've got that done. I'm going to go ahead and do the other one too, because I know what it's going to do. It's going to think that I didn't print it. Okay, as I quit, it's asking me, do you want to empty the print queue? Yes, I've printed both of them, so I'm good to go. Now I can continue to post more shipments, or I can exit out. Now let's take a look at our print queue. Now here's the 144. Where's the 144? Oh, the print queue is gone because it's an invoice now. So that's the reason it's no longer in my print queue, because it has been shipped. It's no longer a work order or WIP in process, or work in process, which is WIP. Okay? Now if I go to order status, there's that 144 that's showing up, and it shows that it has been posted. It's been shipped. Okay? Well, here it is. The status is posted, but the S means it's been shipped. So the S is shipped, the P has been posted. Okay? So, if I wanted to, if I've created an order, I can actually, if I want to, I could skip the confirmation part of the program and simply go straight to post shipments. It really doesn't care whether I've confirmed it or not. It will let me ship a work order or back order. I can ship anything, and I'm basically skipping that confirmation section. Okay? Okay? So you can skip it. And then again, there's my print queue, and there's the one that I need to print. Okay? Now, that pretty much concludes the order entry process. I may do other videos on it in a different way, but that pretty much covers the process of creating an order, confirming an order, and then shipping it, which truly created the invoice. And let me just show you that by pulling up that customer. This guy right here was one of them that we just did. So as you can see, there's the invoice 144A that we posted there. And there's the payment that we made to that. So right now, his aging, he still owes me for previous invoices. Okay? But that's what we just did. And of course, again, I can double click it to reprint it. I can double click here to see what the payment was applied to. Okay? Alright, that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.